Here's what convinced me about the importance of having Dozy as a remote health monitoring device. We had an elderly patient living alone. Her daughter had placed Dozy under her mattress so that both she and us could monitor her vitals at the healthcare facility remotely. This one time we got an alert indicating a decrease in her heartbeat levels from the device. When we inquired her regarding that, she just brushed it aside, telling that she was just feeling a little bit tired that day and passed it off as an age-related problem. So we called her in for an additional medical test and found out that she had an abnormal heart rhythm, and ultimately she needed a pacemaker for that. Possibly without Dozy, it could have been fatal for her.
Dozy is India's first contactless remote vitals monitor. Its thin sensor sheet, once placed under the mattress, tracks person's heartbeat, respiration, sleep, blood pressure, and even tiny heart valve movements with medical grade accuracy. Once connected, the vitals can be easily monitored on the smartphone app and on a patient monitoring system. A centralized web dashboard where hundreds of patients can be monitored at once. This is how Dozy is helping hospitals to monitor the entire ward remotely.
We are able to convert our COVID wards into step-down ICU within hours at a fraction of cost with Dozy. It has reduced the workload for both doctor and nurses and also exposure to the infection tremendously. This is because now we are monitoring COVID-19 patients remotely, as Dozy can be combined with SpO2 sensor too. The best part is we can customize alert for each patient and take a necessary action when required. This helps a lot in improving our daily workflow. At ESIC hospital, we are able to timely shift patient to ICU based on alerts.
Dozy can be used on any number of patients and with any commercially available mattresses. It requires no maintenance, and it can even be integrated with the hospital's EHR systems through our APIs and SDKs. Dozy has been supported by the Government of India, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and various other organizations.
With more and more consultations going online, Dozy is helping provide better healthcare outcomes to thousands of patients at home. It is also helping many leading hospitals to create step-down ICUs.
Continuous non-invasive monitoring of health vitals will be an integral part of future medicine, and we at Dozy are happy to provide it today.